Samsung has actually stopped support for DeX on PC. But here's how to run DeX completely free on your PC right now in 2026. So the first thing we need to do is to download SCRCP, and you can find the GitHub of this really easily, just like this. If you search GitHub, you will be able to find this repo. Then scroll down here, and on the right you will find the releases. We need to find the latest one, of course, because it might be the latest one that will work. So when we scroll down, you will see multiple assets here, which are the files, and we need to find Windows for this tutorial. If you have a macOS or Linux, I'm not going to talk about it today, but it is possible. So right here, I've already downloaded script PI or something like it. And when you have opened it in your folder, just right click and then extract all right here. So the next step, and it's quite crucial, is that you enable USB debugging on your own Samsung device. So what you need to do is to go to settings. I think you guys already know how to do that. And then scroll all the way down. And right here, you can already see I have developer options, but I'm just gonna disable it for this tutorial. But normally you would not find the developer options right here. So when you click on About Phone, then go to Software Information. When you press the build number like 7 times, it will tell you that developer mode has been turned on. The next step we need to take is to go back to the menu I just showed you, which is the home screen of the settings, and you will find the developer options right here. Right now what we need to do is find USB debugging. Just scroll down until you find it. It should be pretty much above. So when you have enabled it and then allowed it, you should be able to be ready for the next steps. So the next step requires you to put the, of course, USB-C type cable or whatever you have, and then into your PC so it can connect. Afterwards, it will ask you if you want to enable USB debugging, and then the settings itself, and then you can continue to the next step. I can't show it right now because my phone is recording and I'm using a Type-C cable. I think I can show it. Wait a moment. So this is my fold phone, and now I'm using a different camera. But if I connect the USB cable, you will see the pop-up about USB. And if I click here, you will open these settings, and you need to enable transferring files to give it maximum permission. And of course, USB debugging has to be enabled in the developer settings. After that's done, just open this folder right here, and then go to Scripty, and then double click on it. It will open a command prompt window. Don't worry, it will start up some stuff to get working. So here you can see ADB device found, which is my own phone. And you can see right now that it has been connected to my foldable phone. Of course, this is the UI we already know. And if you start up, for example, Notion, you can see it works pretty much the same. When I rotate my screen, you can see it's not really that great. But we are going to make Samsung DeX work. So the next thing we need to do to open Samsung DeX is very easily. Right click on the side of this folder. Then click on Open in Terminal. What is very important right now is that we type dot and then slash. And then we type the SCRPI. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. But here we're going to make it work. 2 dashes, then new, then another dash, display, then make sure it's on is, then 1920 by, of course, 1080 / 284. And we press enter. Make sure that you didn't make any typos. I'm sorry. But if you haven't made any typos and use this exact command right here, oh, this part right here, if you have this exact command, just copy it right now. We'll open Samsung DeX just like this. So pretty much this is the same phone we just had before. These are all the applications. Here I have the Notion, the same Notion I just showed you. This is the same device and it is working. Do keep in mind, right below you can already see the battery percentage. It will drain very quickly. And I can actually also open the camera. You can pretty much see me. But everything should be working the same like a normal DeX. And yes, I know it ain't perfect. I'm sorry if it's lagging a little, but this is the only method we have right now. They have really just blocked Samsung DeX on PC, But this way you can still keep it working, which is pretty nice. And to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next fix or loophole.